Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are doing well and safe at home. Welcome back to your English class. Today, in this video lesson, I am going to teach you a beautiful poem. The chapter is 4. What is the poem name? You know? Dad and the Cat and the Tree. Dad and the Cat and the Tree. So the name itself we can understand. Okay. So it's in this poem we are going to study about the dad, the cat and the tree. How they are interacting. Okay, with one another. That is the uh, uh, theme of the poem. Okay, now before studying the poem, we should know about the author, isn't it? What is it? Who is written the poem? Kit Wright. Okay, who is written the poem? Kit Wright. So here W is silent. You have to pronounce as Kit Wright. So Kit Wright writes for both children and adults. So this writer writes about both children and adults. He has written more than 25 books. So he has written more than 25 books and is the winner of several awards. So he got several awards including the Arts Council Writers Award, the Hawthornden Prize and the Heyman Award. Though he started his career as a lecturer, Wright is now a full-time author based in London. So now he is a full-time author in London. So who is written this poem? Kit Wright written this beautiful poem. So this poem is, when we are reading the stanza, we can enjoy the poem. It's very a joyful poem. Understand? Page number 37. This morning, a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, right, just leave it to me. So this is the poem. I'll simply tell that meaning and then we will see stanza wise. Understand? So the father and the cat and the tree. Okay, the father saw a cat under the tree. Okay, so he saw a cat under a tree, and then what happened? Suddenly the cat was climbing on the tree and sit inside the tree. Understand? So the father was very happy to see the cat, but at the same time he want to get rid of the cat from the tree. Okay, understand? So he want to get rid of, get rid of the cat from the tree. This morning, so the father was saying, this morning a cat got stuck in our tree. So what the dad was telling, this morning a cat, can you see the picture? This is a tree. All you have textbook, no, all should see the textbook, what are the picture they have given. So the tree is here, so one cat is stuck, okay, in between the two branches. Understand? And the father was telling, this morning I saw a cat got stuck in our tree. We have a tree. In the tree the cat was stuck in between the branches. Dad said, right, just leave it to me. So what dad is telling, right, just leave it to me. So I want to see the cat, what it was doing. I want to see the cat. The tree was wobbly. What do you mean by wobbly? Wobbly means unsteady. Sometimes we are seeing, some trees, they will, what is it, goes like this. They won't stand in one time. Okay, they will go this time, this place and that place. So the same way the tree was oobly. Oobly means unsteady. Okay, it's not in a position, straight position. It is going here and there. Oobly, that is the meaning. The tree was tall, so the tree was very very tall. That's why it's oobly. It's going unsteady. Okay, and then mom said, for goodness sake, don't fall. So what the dad was decided, the cat was stuck between the tree, and the dad want to get rid of the cat from the tree. And what dad was trying to do, he want to get rid of the what is that, cat. So what mom was telling is mother. Okay, mother is telling, for goodness sake, don't fall. So you are get rid of the you are trying to get rid of the cat, but be careful. Who is telling? The mother is telling, be careful, because the tree was oobly, unsteady. Okay, the mother was giving advice to the father. Fall, scoffed dad. So what is his mother saying? For goodness sake, don't fall. His mother is giving advice, but the reply was given by the dad. Fall, scoffed dad. Scoffed means spoke mockingly. Okay, he was in a joyful way, in a funny way, he is giving a reply. What the father was telling, fall, he was in a smiling face, he is saying. A climber like me, climber means what? The person will climb the tree. Okay, so the father is asking, how can I fall? I am a climber in tree. How can I fall? He is telling, child's play. This is you wait and see. What do you mean by child's play? So every meaning, there are what is the difficult meanings, they are given in pink letters. Okay, pink letters they have given. If you, all the meanings are given beautifully in your textbook itself, you have to see the meaning. Understand? Child's play, very easy to do. So what is father is telling? I can easily climb the tree. Who is telling? The father is telling. You wait and see. The father is telling to his mother, you wait and see. I will climb up the tree and I will try to get rid of the cat. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. So what his father is doing? He is taking one ladder. Okay, ladder, this is the ladder. Okay, we use the ladder to climb any upstairs. Okay, any upstairs place we can use this ladder. Fall, scuff dad, a climber like me, child's play this is, you wait and see. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. So, his father taking one ladder from the garden shed. It slipped again. When he was carrying the ladder, it slipped. It slipped means it fallen down. He landed in the flower bed. So what he was doing? He was taking the ladder and he was landed. Landed means he kept the ladder in the flower bed. Okay, in the garden. Never mind, said dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. What happened when he was carrying the ladder is what is that? His full hair and face and everything is what is dirty. Okay, because of the sand, it's full of dirty. So what he was doing, he was brushing the dirt, he was doing like that, and his hair, his face, his trousers and his shirt is full of sand. Okay, dirty. So he was what is that, he was brushing means he was doing like this. And then what happened? What is his aim? What is his father aiming? His aim was to get rid of the, what is that? Cat, isn't it? And then when he was taking the ladder, what happened? The ladder was slipped. The ladder was slipped. So what is that? He is not taking the ladder, and he kept the ladder on the what is that, flower garden. Okay, and then we will try plan B. So the A plan is over. Now he is telling we will plan again. Why is planning? He want to climb the tree and he want to get rid of the cat from the tree. Out of the way, we will try plan B. Stand out of the way, mom said. Don't fall again. And okay. What again is mother is giving advice? What advice is giving to his father? Please don't fall again. Already you fallen. And isn't it? So don't fall again, is telling. Fall again, said dad. So dad is telling, fall again. Again I want, again how can I fall? Funny joke, he is telling. Then he swung himself up on a branch, it broke. So what happened? He was in the tree, we see that what is that, branches and all, no? In that branch he is what is swinging. Okay, he was swinging. What is it? He was holding the branches and swinging himself on a branch. That branch also broke. Understand? The branch also broke. Dad landed wallop. Landed wallop means fell heavily. See the picture? So he fell heavily. When we are what is this swinging in the branches, if it broken means what happens? Suddenly we will fell down. In the same way, the dad was what is it? Fell down on the land. Back on the deck, mom said, stop it, you will break your neck. So what is mother is telling? You don't want to do anything. What happened? You see, you will break your neck. You will break your neck. Be careful. Who is telling? The mother was telling. So again the dad was replying. Rubbish, said dad. What the dad was replying? Rubbish. Now we will try plan C. So plan B, they what is that? They decided that also what is that? That is also failure. The plan C. What the plan C? Now we will try plan C, easy as winking to a climber like me. So what the dad was telling, we will plan another thing, how to catch the cat, and we have to catch the cat and we have to get rid of the cat. So he was telling, easy as winking to climber like me. So again the dad was telling, I will easily climb the tree. Who is telling? The dad was telling. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? So what he was doing, near the tree there is a wall is there. Near the tree there is a wall is there. In that wall he was climbing. Garden wall is there. In that wall he was climbing. Can you understand? So this is a tree. In that branch only the cat was striking, and near that one wall is there. Understand? Near the tree one wall is there. So in that wall the dad was climbing on the wall. Okay. Understand? Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? What will happen? Guess, they are asking. He didn't fall. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk. So what he was doing? He was jumping. Leaping means jumping. He was leaping from the wall to the branches. Okay. He was leaping, jumping from the wall to the tree. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk. So what happened? He was landed flat. So he catch the branch. Okay, somehow he catch the branch. He was landed. Landed means he was sitting in the branch of the tree. Right on the, can you see the picture here? The man was sitting on the in between the branches. Right on the cat gave a hill and sprang to the ground. So what happened? When he was climbing the branch, the cat was suddenly jump and run away. Understand? He want to catch the cat. Okay, he want to catch the cat, so that only he was trying. But what happened? The cat, when he was climbing the tree, the cat was goes away. Okay, the cat was goes away. The cat was goes away. And then what happened? Right on the cat gave a hill. Hill means the cat will produce a sound, no? So in they giving a sound, and he was hell means screaming. Okay, for human being we will take it as a screaming, but for animal it will produce a sound, no? So the cat was producing a sound and it was goes away fastly and sprang to the ground. So he jumped into the ground and he was that it was run away. Pleased as Punch to be safe and sound. Pleased as Punch means very pleased. And then safe and sound mean safe and sound. What do you mean by safe and sound? The red letters they have given. Unhurt. The cat didn't hurt. Unhurt. Okay. The cat didn't hurt. They didn't get any hurtness. Okay. It didn't get any injuries. Okay. So it's safely jump on the ground and it goes away. So it's smiling and smirking, smug as can be, but poor old dad still stuck up the tree. What happened? So in the beginning, the cat was stuck in the middle of the branches, and the dad was trying to catch the cat, but at last the father was stuck in the middle of the tree. The cat was safely jumped on the ground. It goes away. Did you understand? Very beautiful poem. What happened in the beginning? I'll tell you. So, in a tree, one cat was stuck. Okay, it was stuck meant in between it was sitting. So the dad want to catch the cat. Okay, the dad wants to catch the cat. So he planned. Okay, he planned. So first he was carrying the ladder. Okay, first he was carrying the ladder. The ladder was slipped. The ladder was slipped. And then what happened? He kept the ladder and he was trying another plan. How can we catch the cat? Okay, understand? And then what happened? Again he was he was holding the branches and trying to get into the tree. What happened? The branch was broken and he fell down on the ground. So in between, his mother is giving some advice to the father. Please don't do that. Be careful, because if you fell down, your neck will break. So be careful. In between, his mother was advising. So what his father was telling, no, I am a climber. Okay, I am a climber. I will climb on the tree. I know how to climb. So he is in a joyful way. He was replying to his mother. And then what happened? At last, near the tree, one wall is there. In the wall, the dad was climbing the wall and he was leaped on the tree. Okay, jumped and leaped on the tree, and in between he find one place, or find a place in the branches, in between the branches. What happened? The cat was, what is that? After, if anybody comes means the cat will had a fear, no? So what happened? Suddenly it jumped out of the, what is that? Out of the tree, and he safely, it didn't get any injuries or anything, and it safely run away, and it produced some sound also, and it was going away. Now who is stuck in between the tree? The dad was stuck in between the branches. Okay, so that is the poem. It's a what is that? The author was a he writes about children and everything. Okay, so he what is that? He writes about very interesting poems also. So this poem also very interesting poem. How what is that? How the father was catching the cat. How the cat what reacts with the dad. Okay, it's a very funny, okay, joyful poem. So all should you all, I think most of the students, you got your new English textbook, isn't it? So all should open the textbook, and this chapter is 4. Learn the poem and enjoy the poem. Okay, learn the poem and enjoy the poem. How what are the words they have written? Some letters are in pink letters. That pink letters, they have beautifully given the meaning. Learn the meaning also. Okay, so I think you understand this poem, isn't it? So if you have any doubt in this poem or anything, please contact me. I will clarify your doubts. Please watch out all the videos. Grammar videos are very important. All videos are very important. Grammar, you must watch the grammar videos and everything. Okay. And some of the students that what is it some of the students, when you are, what is that, question and answer, when I am asking, the pronunciation is not correct word, why I'm what is that, why we are sending the notes explanation video, why we are sending, because when you are seeing how I am pronouncing, that video you should watch, that notes explanation video you should watch that, because when you are reading wrongly, reading means you written wrongly in the examination. Pronunciation is very important. So pronounce the word correctly. If you have any doubt in pronunciation, call me and ask me, send your WhatsApp, ask me, okay, directly you contact me, so that you can clear your doubts. Understand? So if you have any doubt in this chapter, please call me. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.